This is the Filipino-style carbonara. You need some good amount of onions. You may use minced garlic, but I prefer garlic powder as minced garlic might overpower the flavor. For this recipe, I'm using bacon. You can also use ham or you can use both. Cook your pasta in a boiling water with generous amount of salt. You may stop cooking a minute or less than the prescribed cooking time because you're still gonna cook this in its sauce. Cook your bacon in an oiled pan. And once the bacon is cooked, you can add your red onion. And once your red onion is translucent, you can add evaporated milk. You can now add your garlic powder and add in your cream. Season with salt and pepper. Add cheddar cheese. And once your cheese has melted and thickened the sauce, you can already put your pasta. Add more of the cheddar cheese. And your pasta is done. In the Philippines, we have a unique version of carbonara that we call also as carbonara. It's important to note that this Filipino-style carbonara recipe is not claiming to be the authentic Italian version. The name Filipino-style carbonara is used because the main ingredients in the Italian pasta dish are not commonly found in our local cuisine. Not only are the ingredients different, but the taste profile of Filipino-style carbonara also caters to the preferences of Filipinos. It was created to suit our unique palate and to be enjoyed by the majority of the people in the country. This is just one of examples of how strong influences from different cultures come together to create something new and exciting. Although this type of carbonara is not intended for Italians, we appreciate the inspiration that the Italian dish has provided. So when you try the Filipino-style carbonara, keep in mind that it's delicious adaptation made specifically for the Filipino taste buds. So this is the Filipino-style carbonara. Try it. You'll like it.